So guys, recently I bought a new action camera for the price of 20,000 rupees. Now that's a bit of a stretch, I know, but I just wanted to get my vlogs out there. I just wanted to show what I'm going through my life, and so this is like the easiest way to express. You just clip on the camera, you just take it wherever you want to, just attach onto your helmet and you'll be off. You don't have to worry about anything. So I just wanted to know how good of a camera is this new DJI OSMO. It's not new actually, it's a relatively old camera if you consider it was released like 3 years back maybe. So and considering we have a competition, like we have the Hero 13, so it's a tight competitor for the price bracket, but DJI offers one specific thing that Action or the Hero just misses out. It has larger size sensor, which means more light will be intaking, which means you'll get better low light photography, better low light videography. So that would be essentially bettering your experience when you are traveling in the night, you are just vlogging with your camera. So that is what I was actually excited about, and I have some really interesting samples as well. But this is going to be the initial impression of the camera. I just bought it 3 days back and I'll be using it for like let's say half an hour or maybe 1 hour maximum. So I have been traveling through the dusty situations, the highways, the gut roads. So this is going to be a pretty small video, initial impression video, but later on I'll be posting everything that my camera captured. So that's going to be the main essence that is going to decide, or that is going to make you decide whether you should be going for this camera. So let's see how it goes. So this right here is a DJI Action 4 camera, which I have recently bought. Now this is pretty compact. If you can see, it's almost like half of my palm right now, and it has pretty nifty features, and I'll just guide you through all of them. Now just to give you a physical overview, this has a pretty basic setup, if you want to call it like that. Like we have like 2 buttons here. This is like the on or off button, as well as the mode switch. Now this lets you switch between the photo as well as video, while this is more like it doubles up as a power button, if you want to call it like that, because let's say if you have plugged it on into some helmet mount, and if you want to quickly capture a video or a photo, you just press this one. So traditionally you might have to press the on button and then click on the record button, but this, let's say if you're just in a hurry, you just on your vehicle, you cannot press this button. Maybe just press it once and it will automatically start recording the video, single take. Like you don't have to juggle with multiple buttons in this case. So that's pretty nifty. Now physically we have this huge lens here. Now this, they say, is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5 something, so that's good. We have 2 microphones here, and this is more like a white balance sensor. Now we have a front screen which seems to be AMOLED, and on the back too we have the huge comparatively huge screen on the back here. So that's the physical setup, and we have a huge loudspeaker here, and this gets pretty loud, trust me. Now this is where you insert the SD card slots, if I'm not wrong. Like just open the gasket. Oh sorry, it's the charging port, so you can type C charge this one. And coming to the next section, we have the mount here. Like this is where you mount. Now this DJI OSMO comes with the magnetic mount here, so it basically clips on to this ports here or sections here without you ever having to fidget with these things. So that's pretty nifty. And in here you have the battery compartment as well as the SD card slot. Now I recommend using at least a 128, or if possible to extend at least to a 256 GB of the highest possible memory card you can, the quality memory card that you can buy, because this can shoot great videos and it requires pretty high bit rates as well. So what I'm using is a 128 GB SanDisk Extreme Pro. Now that's all with the physical overview. Now let's switch on the camera. The power button I pressed, it takes about, let's say, 2 to 3 seconds, and this is the UI you'll be getting. You'll get a notification sound as well. Now I've been using this for the past 3 days maybe. I charged it to 100% 3 days back. I took a lot of videos. Now this is what it looks like. 19% battery left. My total runtime with the camera would be close to, let's say, maybe 1 hour, 1.5 an hour maybe, but that's pretty neat. Like I recorded in 4K at 50 fps, 30 fps with rock steady mode. I'll come back to that later. Now if you just look at the camera UI, you can see it has pretty nifty things to be seen here. Like you have the SD card slot time left, like how much video you can shoot on 4K 30 rocksteady mode with that SD card. You have the already existing videos. You can see the videos that you have shot on the camera using this button you can see here, and this is the video mode. That's why you can see a video recorder button there, and this is the settings, and this has pretty nifty features if you go to the pro mode, because currently it's in pro mode. If you switch off to the normal mode, you can control the wide or ultra wide mode here. I suggest going with ultra wide mode if you are traveling with your, if you're shooting for motorcycle vlogging or something, because it offers a huge field of view. Couple that with the EIS, and you'll get better stabilization even when the road is unsteady, or even if your bike is a bit vibration prone. Now that's the normal mode. This is a pro mode. Mostly we won't have to go in here, but just in case if you want to, you can go there as well. And as per the audio, you can change to stereo or mono if you want to, so that's pretty good. And the audio quality of this one is pretty neat. Like you have the 2-3 buttons you can see, or the microphones you can see, so that essentially cancels out extra noise, extra wind noise, so that's pretty neat. And yep, that's pretty much about the UI for a video. And here you can see all the videos that you have already existing on your phone, on your device. You can delete it from here, or maybe you can transfer onto your other devices if you really want to. Now that's all for this camera UI. You can delete it, as you can see. And now if you want to switch to the photo mode, this is what you do. It will be automatically switching into photo mode, and the UI is pretty much the same, but you can see the modes here. Like you can choose between 4:3 or 16:9. The counter timing here as well. And here we have the settings. Here too you can exposure, you can control the FOV to wide or ultra wide, JPEG or RAW. You can even shoot in RAW. That's pretty neat as well. Now that's pretty much it for the UI and the camera as a whole. Now I've been using it for a couple of days now, and trust me, this camera has shown great. It is worth every bit of money that I have spent on it. And yes, I'm planning to make some more videos. I will be printing, or I will be showcasing some more videos in the future. So with the night mode, the shaky road setup, to see how good the step